Hi everyone, welcome back to Robinson's World. Today we are diving into another simple yet useful Python project, a BMI calculator. This program lets you calculate your body mass index and provides insights into your weight category. It's a fantastic way to learn about functions, input handling, and additional statements. Let's get started. Before we jump into coding, let's briefly understand BMI. BMI, or body mass index, is a measure of body fat based on your weight and height. The formula is simple: weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. Using this value, we can classify weight categories like underweight, normal, overweight, and obese. Now that we know the basics, let's bring it to life in Python. To start, we'll create a function to calculate BMI. This keeps our code clean and reusable. Here is our function. It takes two inputs, weight in kilograms and height in meters, and it calculates BMI using the formula we just discussed. Next, we will ask the user for their weight and height. Python's input function is perfect for this. We use float to convert the input from a string to a decimal number. This ensures we can perform mathematical operation. Now let's calculate BMI and display the result in a formatted message. Here, the point 2f ensures the BMI is displayed with two decimal places, keeping it neat and readable. Finally, we will add conditional statements to interpret the BMI and provide feedback. Using the if-elif-else, we compare the BMI value against predefined ranges and print the corresponding category. This is where the program becomes truly helpful. Let's test the complete program. I will enter a weight of 70 kilograms and a height of 1.75 meters. This program calculates the BMI as 22.86, which falls in the normal weight category. It works perfectly. We'll run again. Your BMI is 28.37 and you are overweight, of height 1.83 meters and weight 95 kilograms. Now that you have a working BMI calculator, here are a few ideas to enhance it further. Add a unit conversion to handle pounds and inches. Include error handling for invalid inputs. Allow the program to run repeatedly until the user exits. Save BMI results to a file for tracking progress. Provide health tips based on BMI categories. For instance, to handle different units, you can use additional input prompts and symbol conversion formula. And that's it. You have built a BMI calculator in Python. That's not just fun, but also super useful. I hope you enjoyed creating this project and learned something new today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Robinson's World for more beginner-friendly Python projects. Got feedback or suggestions for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.